Our plant for the production of pharmaceutical powders in Arkhangelsk has been on the pharmaceutical market for more than 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for production, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets in plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. Last year our company started producing vitamins in tablets. We plan to carry out the filling of capsules into plastic bottles of 50 milliliters. Since it is necessary to dose vitamins strictly in a certain number of tablets, we decided to buy a special machine counter capsules. This type of pharmaceutical packaging equipment is used for automatic filling capsules and tablets into plastic containers. Packing is done by the number of pieces. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in the selection and remained the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I started contacting the manufacturers by phone and asked if they could produce a tablet counter. As the main criteria, I specified the capacity of not less than 1,000 bottles per hour. The machine must be automatically controlled. At first I contacted a company in Germany, which offered me a capsule and tablet counter, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted a company from Novosibirsk. She said that they do not produce this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are ready to design and produce the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for the capsule and pill counter, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another version of the machine. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of managers. A specialist from one company from Saratov said to wait 5 minutes, but never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, bottle size, dosing volumes, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consultation stage he suggested a disc counter for capsules and pills, which consisted of 2 disc dispensers, each dispensing from 10 to 30 bottles per minute. I was able to quickly coordinate the equipment with the company management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. A specialist from the company offered to test the dispenser and asked to send bottles, our green capsules. The manager 2 weeks before delivery reported on the degree of readiness of the machine and sent a video where we could see our equipment. The machine works in semi-automatic mode. The green capsules come from a storage bin and are distributed in a disc tray. The operator puts up 2 cups, and they are dispensed in 48 pieces, according to the number set on the control panel of the machine. The green capsules, with a time gap, filled the plastic containers. The rate at which the capsules are fed can be changed during the filling process. A month after signing the contract, we received a disc counter of capsules and tablets into plastic bottles. The manager provided the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operating instructions. We installed the machine and trained the workers, who would be assigned to the machine in a week. The equipment was made of quality stainless steel and worked smoothly. I was satisfied with the capsule and tablet counter suggested and supplied by a specialist from Moscow. The competent consultation saved me time and helped me to avoid mistakes, which I probably would have made if I had made the choice myself. It is hard to find professionals in the equipment supply business. I am very glad that in the end, I was lucky to meet such a person.